In this video we'll learn about how to record journal entries for discounting of bills. We have already done a problem on discounting of bills. We'll take up this concept once again. In this problem you can see Mr. Jack sold goods on credit to Mr. Jill. The value of the goods is rupees 1 lakh on 1st June 2021. So we have two parties here, Mr. Jack and Mr. Jill. Jack is selling goods on credit to Mr. Jill. The value of the goods is 1 lakh on 1st June 2021. So how this is going to be recorded in the books of Mr. Jack and Mr. Jill. So we are going to see how they are going to record entries in the books of Mr. Jack and books of Mr. Jill. So when we are in this column, we have to become accountants of Mr. Jack, and when we are in this column, we have to become accountants of Mr. Jill. So what happened? Mr. Jack sold goods on credit to Mr. Jill on 1st June 2021. So the entry would be on 1st June 2021. Jack is selling goods on credit to Mr. Jill. Entry will be Mr. Jill account debit 1 lakh to sales account 1 lakh. I hope you remember how or what is the logic behind the journal entry. Next, entry in the books of Mr. Jill is he is buying goods, so we will record the entry purchases account debit 1 lakh to Mr. Jack account. Jack is selling goods to him on credit. Now because of this journal entry, a debtor-creditor relationship has been created between Mr. Jack and Mr. Jill. In the books of Mr. Jack, Mr. Jill is appearing as a debtor. In the books of Mr. Jill, Mr. Jack is appearing as a creditor. Jack is showing Jill as a person who owes money to him, and Mr. Jill is showing Mr. Jack as a person to whom Mr. Jill owes money, or the business owes money to Mr. Jack. Okay, let us see next what happened. On the same day, Mr. Jill accepted and returned a bill drawn by Mr. Jack for 3 months. So what is happening is, on the same day, Mr. Jack drew a bill on Mr. Jill. Mr. Jill signed the bill, wrote the words accepted on the bill, and he gave it back to Mr. Jack. So Mr. Jack is receiving a bill. So he will write the entry bills receivable, B by R. I use it as a shortcut for bills receivable. Bills receivable account debit 1 lakh. It is an asset coming in, real account, that is why it has been debited. Who is giving this asset to him? Mr. Jill. Hence his account has to be credited. Mr. Jill's account is credited. On the same day, what is the entry Jill is going to write? He is giving a bill to Mr. Jack. So Mr. Jack is receiving the bill from him. Mr. Jack account debit 1 lakh. He is giving a bill, but he has to make a payment on this bill. That is why he is going to record it as bills payable. This is the entry he is going to pass in his books of accounts. Okay. Now the asset called as a bill is with Mr. Jack, but he is going to get the payment only on the due date, that is 3 months from now. The due date would be on 4th of September 2021. How we have arrived at 4th of September? 3 months from June. That means we have to add 3 months to the months. So it will become 1st September, and 3 days grace has to be allowed. So it will become 4th September 2021. The bill will be coming up for payment. But Mr. Jack needs money. So what he does, let us see. On 4th June, that is after 3 days, 4th June, the bill was discounted by Mr. Jack at the rate of 12% per annum from a bank. On the due date, the bill was honored. Now, where do you discount a bill? Generally, the bill can be discounted only by a bank. So on 4th June 2021, the bill was discounted by Mr. Jack at the rate of 12% per annum with a bank. I'll write it for the sake of clarity. So now what Mr. Jack is doing is, Jack is going to a bank and he is telling the bank, I have a bill. It's a valuable legal asset. You please take this bill and give me some money in return. Credit some money to my bank account. The bank says, we can give you money, but you have to pay us interest. So what is the interest the bank is charging? This is the value of the bill. the rate of interest which they want to charge is 12%. The bank will collect money on this bill only after 3 months, because another 3 months is left in this bill of exchange. So what would be the amount of interest? It is 12,000. It is 1,000 rupees per month for 3 months. The 3,000 rupees would be the discount amount. So what the bank is saying is, we can give you the amount, but we will deduct 3,000 as interest. The balance amount we can pay you now. We can give it to you now. So Mr. Jack agrees to it. So some money comes into his bank account. So whenever the money is deposited in the bank account, we have to debit it. Bank account debit 97,000. He has suffered a loss, hence discount account will be debited with 3,000, and bills receivable account will be credited with rupees 1 lakh. So what he has done is, he has given the bill, and in exchange he has collected some money and he has paid some interest to the bank. Okay, so this is the entry we pass in the books of the Mr. Jack. In this particular transaction, Jill is not involved, so there will be no entry in the books of Mr. Jill. Now let us see what happens next. On the due date, Mr. Jill is honoring the bill. So what will happen now? On the due date, the bank will go to Mr. Jill and say, boss, Jack has given to us a bill which was signed by you, hence you have to make the payment to us now. So what is the due date now? Let us calculate the due date. 1st June 2021 was the date of the drawing of the bill. 3 months time would be allowed, so it will become 1st September plus add 3 days of grace, so it will become 4th September 21 is the due date. On 4th September 21, the bank which is having the bill will approach Mr. Jill, because Mr. Jill has to make the payment on the bill. So on 4th September, what Jill will do is, he will take the bill from the bank. Mr. Jill called this bill as bills payable. He is getting the bill back, so he will debit it with 1 lakh, and he is making payment to the bank. Money will be withdrawn from his bank account, so the amount will be credited to the bank. Okay, so this is the entry Mr. Jill is going to pass in his books of account, and there will be no entry in the books of Mr. Jack on this date. Okay, so this is the entry when Mr. Jill honors the bill. When Mr. Jill honors the bill. So these are the entries we pass in the books of Mr. Jack and Jill when they discount the bill. Okay.